Wow, if you come up, open the flowers, so beautiful. And the other hand. Over here, starting also, oh. Flowering na. Sikan ba't sudsin niya? And look at this. I don't know what is this. This.
Maybe some weed.
No, it's not weeds. This is from to your sister.
Yeah.
And look. Starting flowering. This is the first bat. Wow. And over here, oh. This is from your sister, eh, oh.
Yeah.
That one. And this one also from your sister. And this one. That one. This one is, ano na. Holy hako. That's it, guys. Well, going to the mailbox. Look at this. We cut this last year, eh. And grow again.
Yeah.
We need to cut again this.
Yeah.
Nag-grow na po siya, guys. Wow. Starting flowering na, guys. This is the first one comes up. Lot of over there.
I don't know what the deal is with the grass.
Thing, guys. Our grass, guys, still not tall. Me now. June na next, ano? No more, no? Not grow. I think next month, starting cutting the grass. I'm going to the mailbox, guys. Short walk because the order is there. Ito ngayon ang weather, guys, but not hot because so very windy. Windy. Very good, the sun, the clouds so good. Mag-walking tayo, guys. Today is May 21. Wednesday and 11, guys. 11:22 AM. What is the white of the the tree? Flower? So nice, guys. The tree have flower. White. Ito. Yeah. Have white color again. And the smell is good. Maybe the flower over here, the white. Look at that, guy. The tree is have flower. This house for sale until now is not no one buy. Oh, wow. Ang ganda, guys. May flower siya, guys. That, oh. I think that is the smell good. That one, guys. Have flower. Oh, look at that. May flower siya, guys. This house, guys, for sale. Still no one to buy. Lot of house here for sale, guys. I'm moving truck over there, guys. And the clubhouse over there. This house for sale, ngayon. That house. And look at this. The grass is very nice. For sale. Going to the mailbox guys, because sometimes the post office guys, if you have order and then fixed to your mailbox, they put in your mailbox. But if your order is big, can't fit in the mailbox, they deliver directly to your house. Hi guys! Good afternoon na guys. Let's do unboxing the guys. Unboxing the guys. Unboxing. Why? What is this? What is this? Just for me or for you? For you? Ah. Ah. Headband pas helmet. Ah, headband helmet. Why headband helmet? Headband. This is for you? Oh, wow! What is this? Headband helmet. Why you bring this headband helmet? What is this? Huh? No, I don't do it. Huh? Ah, okay. Where did this go? How to open? Wait. Ayan guys. Helmet pala to guys. Helmet. If you're working in the Navy. My husband working in Navy guys. When she's 17 years old. Yan. They buy this as a souvenir. Helmet siya. But I cannot wear guys because this is ano is. You mean souvenir? I don't know who wear this eh. But this is the helmet for a Navy. The pads over here is fine, but the over here is not good. And that's it. Ito pala yung helmet guys ng ano, mga Navy. Including this. Oh, that's it, guys. The souvenir. And the other one, this is a insert. Ah. My husband ordered guy in Belt guy store. Last time they ordered large and too big to him, and the order again try medium. Usually the design guy is very nice. Hopefully this is fit. And imagine mo guys, 8 days na ay 9 days today they order there, and then yesterday they find out to still sit in there, not ship, but the shipping what is it? The shipping is done printing and then still not shipped, and then they call yesterday and immediately deliver today. Very quick. And that's it guys. Hopefully this is quick. Try. You try or you need to wait to wash before try?
No.
You excited? Keep it. Gusto tayo ng plato.
To protect his enterprise, to carry out threats, really encourage customers confidential audit. You tell the email there too, your threats tested. We do have the legal customers so she was instructed by Tom County bookkeeper to wire $20,000. This is a woman who did not have a lot of money. She had a case about a home operating room, wired about $20,000 to Tom County company. Life insurance is too important to put off another day. That's why SelectQuote makes getting coverage you need easy. Now get up to a $2 million policy with no
Hey guy, we need to wash the rug guy. My husband told me to throw the rug and then buy new one. I told no, I need to wash that because summer now. Let's start washing. I have soup, more soup from the Philippines. Tapos yun, ang mukha. Tapos itatapon, sayang kaya. Hi guys, third week of grocery shopping from Walmart. Of course, paper towel, this soup, tomato sauce, pasta, milk, pineapple juice, garlic, chicken broth, beef ko, noodle, cream of my husband, gising tea, Johnson soup, and breadcrumb, panko, and plain. Grapes, cinnamon, rice, Bina fingers, cookies, Yakult, and spring onion. That the potato, all-purpose flour, and this one is yes, rice, sliced bread, chicken, banana, bacon, carrots, ground beef, cheese slice, and cheese block, brown sugar, and chicken. And how much this win guys? Sa grocery 133.31, tax $11, driver tip kay $13.32, and the total was 147.54 or 8,085. Hi guys, short talk, we're going to the mill ba? Mas colder to di guy compared yesterday so I'm wearing this guy. Salt light long sleeve jacket, very nice guy. So that's why my husband ordered this more and more. This is very nice wear to the Philippines guy, because Philippines weather is so hot. Hi guys, unboxing tayo. Look at my t-shirt. So beautiful. I'll show you my t-shirt. So beautiful. Unboxing tayo guys. Unboxing. What is this? see what is earphone pala guys. This is earphone? Earphone. No, airbag. Airbag guys. Yeah. My husband bought airbag guys. Usually this is for my husband. Airbag, yeah. You have old airbag not running? Your airbag? The old airbag? Airbag gun? Airbuds? Airbuds. Ang hirap. It's difficult to pronounce, guys. Because I'm Bisaya. I'm not an English. Airbuds. Buds. Buds. Oh, earbuds, guys. You listening the music over here. Connect to your phone. And this is it. I need to open that. This is for my husband. Because you know lang, sometime in the Philippines, very noisy. See, that's why they use this. Air buds. This one. Very nice, guys. Ganito pala, guys. Ganito pala siya. I don't know how to get this. This one. This one, guys. I don't know how to put this in there. The battery is still charging. Wait, 98. You mean full bar? Battery kayo. And this is guy. This one guy, earbuds. You can listening the ano guy. Good. Hopefully have camera like this guy, so you can filming everywhere. The people not notice to you you're filming because they thinking this is earbuds. And that's it guys for unboxing today.